Okay, so Kaushik, let's proceed ahead with your HR for NMDC, right?
Yes.
So your brief introduction, Kaushik.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kaushik Sarkar, and I hail from Nadia district of West Bengal. I did my later stages of schooling from Jamshedpur, and then I did my BTech in mechanical engineering from Asansol Engineering College. My father is employed as an engineer in the private sector, and my mother is a homemaker. I did my final year BTech project in designing and modeling of Tesla turbine, which is a revolutionary turbine implementing boundary layer theory and has the potential to replace the Pelton wheel turbines. And apart from that, I consider myself an adventurer at heart. My hobbies are to trek if the time permits me. Until now, I have been the opportunity to go for 2 treks, and in the meanwhile, I maintain a journal.
Okay, so Kaushik, tell me something about Jamshedpur. Why this name?
Sir, it is about Jamshedpur is named on Sir Jamshedji Tata, sir. He was the founder of Tata Group of Industries, sir.
You mean JRD?
JRD, sir.
Okay, tell me something about JRD.
Sir, he was a son of an Iranian business family, sir, and he was the one who personally undertook the initiative to establish a steel plant in the Jamshedpur when so many, particularly in the British engineers have suggested otherwise, that Tata or any indigenous steel maker would not be able to produce the steel to the British or international standards. But he did so, sir, and he has proven his potential ever since starting from the World War I, sir.
Okay, but you are still missing the most important thing about JRD. You know, he was Bharat Ratna.
He was the first pilot, I suppose, sir, from
Yes,
our
yes.
country, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
that's the most important part. And he was Bharat Ratna and Air India. You know what public transport we know today. I think he was the first person to fly the Air India plane, first plane he was flying, and he was a pilot. I know now, Kaushik, may I know your reason to join public sector instead of companies like Tata's?
Sir, personally, sir, I feel that public sector work not only on the basis of generating profits, but also on an humanitarian ground, sir. So, public sector also considers social initiative and humanitarian ground. And apart from that reason, sir, public sector are completely transparent in terms of the compensation they provide to the employees that are at the same level, which is not the same case in private.
But not everybody is putting
sector.
same
So in a
effort.
public sector organization.
Kaushik, do you think everybody puts the same effort in the organization?
Sir, I think, sir, everybody puts up to the best level of their effort they are doing, sir. And sometimes there might be instances when some may not perform as per the expectation.
Okay.
But
tell
they
me,
can...
if every student is reading same, studying
Yes,
same
sir.
a number of hours, should
Yes,
teacher give them the same marks or as per performance?
Sir, as per performance, they should be given, sir.
So our performance is always output, right?
Yes, sir.
It is not how much effort you put, it is what output you get.
Yes, sir.
Now, if employees are putting same effort, but output is different, don't you think employers should give them different rewards?
So that is that particular system, sir, exists not only in private sector but also public sector. So there is the performance-based rewards and even on the review period. But sir, for example, if I am talking, private sector is recruiting at a particular grade from 2 different colleges, based upon just on the colleges, sir, they will provide different packages for the same grade, which is not true in case of, sir, public sector. So they are fair, much fair in this kind of. Yes, sir. After the performance, they review accordingly, sir.
Okay, so that is the reason you want to join public sector, right?
So more than that, sir, I think if I ambitiously work for the organization, sir, I will have the opportunity to reach the very top of the ladder, which is not in the case of, sir, private sector. It's a rare chance that I could ever reach the top of the ladder, sir.
Okay. Acha, don't you think public sector should work on profit motive?
Sir, I think, sir, it is working on the motive of profit, sir. But apart from the profit, more on the social grounds too. And both things should be maintained, sir. If only a organization gets oriented towards profit, he will not think twice before doing any kind of damage, sir. But the public sector gives much more consideration to both grounds, sir.
Okay, Kaushik, tell me something about you. I mean, your strong points, your weak points.
Sir, I feel my strength is that I am a very committed and passionate individual. Sir, once I commit myself to a particular line of work, I give my 100% efforts, and I also feel, sir, that I'm a team player and I have a good knack for solving problems, sir. And what I have learned, sir, because I move very frequently, even in the duration of 1 or 2 years, I personally feel that I am quite adaptable to new surroundings. And the weaknesses, sir, on my behalf, I think I sometimes become bluntly honest. I air my opinions too easily to others, which sometimes causes inconvenience. And other weakness, I feel that I become workaholic at certain instance, so much so that I start ignoring my personal life at that point, sir.
Okay. Kaushik, do you have any question to ask us?
Sir, I think, sir, at this point, no, sir.
Okay. So think of that question, Kaushik, which you can ask them, right? And that should be really
Okay.
good. So Jamshedpur, the moment you said Jamshedpur, no, Jamshedpur, JRD Tata, Bharat Ratna, first flight, pilot, and Air India, and Jamshedpur as a city, everything about Jamshedpur and Tatas. Please revise that. You mentioned a word boundary layer. So just read the boundary layer, because your Tesla turbine and boundary layer
Sir,
is the term which you mentioned. Boundary layer, you do that properly.
ये सर आपका वीडियो है सर, वो 7-8 घंटा वाला, वो वाला देख लेगा सर पूरा।
Great. बाउंड्री लेयर पे अलग से भी एक वीडियो है, वो भी देख लेना।
हाँ सर, वो आपका 15 मिनट या शायद आधा घंटा के एक अलग क्वेश्चन था सर।
Good. So when you say transparency and you started criticizing private sector, so whenever you are comparing public and private, you need not to criticize private sector. You say, sir, private sector has got its own advantages, but what attracts me more is the advantage which I get in public sector. So don't say private sector में ये नहीं है, private sector में वो नहीं है, public में है. Don't do that. Don't criticize private sector. आप बोलना सर ट्रांसपेरेंसी आपको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, इसका मीनिंग क्या है आपके लिए. You need to say, sir, public sector I want because of some advantages of public sector which attract me. I'm the kind of person who is not very ambitious in career and growth. I want to give my best and lead a balanced life, and public sector offer you that opportunity. I will be giving my best, and at the same time I want to have time for me also. And the most important is I want to lead a life of security and peace of mind. So when you are in private sector, we have seen in COVID lot of layoff and job insecurity. So that I can't bear, sir. I want a safe and secure job. Public sector offer me that, and the kind of salary, prestige you get there, the added advantages. Public sectors work on social motive. Actually, government works on social motive. Public sector are something which government wants should generate profit also.
Yes, sir.
Right. So one side is government, another is private, and then there's a public sector in between. So public sector are created to give basically
Balance.
profit also. So loss making public sector will be privatized by government. So profit there to generate. So think of these lines. The rest, I think other questions I've already told you. Just revise that, and this also add these questions now, right?
Sir, in the recent, sir, in the mock, sir, you told me to improve on the introduction. Is it okay, sir? Now
introduction is okay. Introduction is okay. So you know how you can make it more interesting. Like you said, sir, I'm from Jamshedpur, the city named after the great JRD Tata. JRD Tata. So you stress on that. Maybe that hits them. JRD Tata. If somebody knows about JRD Tata, he will feel like asking you.
Sir, should I mention Jamshedpur or Tata Nagar, sir? Because recently they have.
No, you say I'm from Jamshedpur. Now it is called Tata Nagar, sir. Jamshedpur was because of JRD, great JRD. So something like that you should mention, so that they ask a question prior to that. Right?
No, sir. Can I ask you one thing, sir? Where do I stand, sir? Is it okay?
So you stand now out of 10. I'll give you 7 to 7.5 somewhere.
Okay, sir.
7.5 to 8 is good. 7 to 7.5 I'll give you.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.